Hi there, I'm Jonathan. Today, I'd like to take just a minute to walk you through how to replace the battery in your Leitner wireless headset. Now, it's quick and easy, and it'll apply to any Leitner wireless headset with a headband style. I'm just going to use my LH270 today. To open up the battery compartment, you'll just need to grab a ballpoint pen and, well, your headset. Let's dive into it. To remove your existing battery, all we're going to need to do, flip that headset upside down, and we'll see we have two silver charging contacts with a small gap in between. That's where we're going to put the tip of our ballpoint pen. Place that in, point it toward the ear cushion, and then scoop up. You'll see that lid just pops right off. Slide it out, voila. And now we have a rectangular battery resting inside that compartment. We can just grab that, slide it out, and there we go. Now when you go to put your new battery in, we want to make sure that the arrow in the battery is pointing down into the compartment and the word Leitner is on the same side as the buttons on the face of your headset. So putting that into practice, we'll flip it over, flip the arrow, point it down, keep the Leitner on the same side as the buttons and microphone, slide it in, grab your lid, pop that into place, snap, and there you go. Easy peasy. And that's it. After inserting your new battery, you'll just want to let your headset charge for about 4 hours before use. And if you have any other questions or you need any other help, always feel free to give us a call at 1-800-HEADSETS, where any one of our headset advisors would be more than happy to help you. Bye for now, guys.